UP is still holding their stance. We're a private entity, so whether the state says, you know, you don't have to, as a private entity, we're allowed to say we require it. So you have to have a face mask to walk in. And I understand it's health conditions, like my assistant manager, he has, like, I don't know if he told you, but he has PTSD. He still wears it, you know.
Well, he's got it down under his chin, but yeah, I understand.
Yeah, I get it. Even if you walk around like this, you know, like this, at least it's on your face. I'm just gonna be like, well, you know, I get it. Trust me, this is the most annoying thing on the planet.
It's like a simulation or something. But so who was the upper guy or girl you talked to?
So I spoke with my regional manager. I hope you're not.
I'm recording for my safety.
Okay, so we're a private entity. Okay, because of that, we make our own. The state allows us to do that. So as a private entity, we're saying as a nonprofit, if you're going to come into our center and shop, you have to wear a mask. It's for the safety of us. It's regardless of what the state on our state website says. You're not required to wear it because of your health reasons. You're exempt from wearing it. That's fine, and that holds true. But within the UP Center, it doesn't.
Even though the county's actual executive order mandate says that a business is any profit or nonprofit organization that deals with the public. And
we do deal with the public, but that's still, as a private entity, we are allowed to say you have to wear a mask for the safety of our employees.
According to this,
that's the St. Lucie County website. Yeah, as a private entity, 5031C, we are still allowed to say you have to wear a mask when you come in here.
So you're saying you're not covered by the county mandate, the county executive order? You're not covered by that because somehow you're a private entity?
Simply put, as a private entity, we are allowed to make that decision. That's all I'm going to tell you. You have to wear a mask when you come in.
And who gave you that?
That's coming from way up.
Who were you talking to there, just so I can know?
I'm not going to go into details because you're recording me I never told you to record me. So technically you're recording me without my approval.
Right, but I'm doing that for my safety.
Your safety?
Yes.
I can step away from you.
Okay, well, not that type of safety, just for my safety, civil rights safety.
Okay, so I've already seen your previous videos that you guys have posted.
Right.
Yeah, your civil rights does hold true. But with everything that's going on, if you actually take the time and do your research, other than trying to do your civil rights, as a private entity, we have the authority within our jurisdiction and law to say you have to wear a mask when you come in here. I don't understand what the big deal is.
Okay, do you know the federal law, the Americans with Disabilities Act, Title III? That explains.
And I've seen that
You've
whole
seen
video that you guys expressed
the public accommodation.
in Vero Beach.
You don't feel like you're a public accommodation according to the federal law?
I'm not going to go into details.
So who would go into details? I guess that's my question. Who can I talk to?
If you want. I know he's recording. I'm just saying. I'm just simply put. I'm not. If you need any questions, if you have anything, call corporate.
Who is corporate? Can you tell me who?
Go on. You're doing your research. Just go on Google, look up United Against Poverty. They have a number. Call it. Talk to them.
Okay.
But from my higher ups, you have to wear a face mask.
Okay.
I understand your health issues, and that's unfortunate, and I'm part of it. It's
right.
Life, and I understand people genuinely do have things that they can't wear masks. I get it. But I have a job I have to do, and I have guidelines that I have to follow. My guidelines say anyone who comes in here has to wear masks, and if my company says it, I'm going to back them and I'm going to support them.
And even though you know that there may be some lawsuits, civil suits filed, and you know that
at
you're
the end of the day, it's not me. I'm following guidelines that are given to me.
But who's going to stand up against this stuff? If you don't stand up, if he doesn't stand up, I mean, who's going to stand up? It's not going to be the upper people. When does somebody stand up?
I'm not. I'm just saying. I'm not. Listen. I'm not gonna.
No, I appreciate you chatting with me. I'm just trying to figure out how.
I understand my opinion and my philosophies. That is irrelevant. At the end of the day, I'm following structures and guidelines provided by my company, and I will do so. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to answer any unnecessary questions because, again.
So civil rights doesn't really play into this, just because you've been told by your upper.
I'm doing exactly what I was what I'm told.
And that's what a lot of other people are doing.
And
That's
I
why
know there's a lot of companies.
That's
that are
why
doing
we're
that.
at. That's why we're at the place where we're at right now.
I know, and there's a lot of people that are doing what you're doing to other companies. But I get it. You guys feel a certain type of way. At the end of the day, I'm going to support a company where our company is allowed to make people to wear face masks for the protection of our people, for the protection of the people around them.
Okay.
I understand by you protecting yourself from other people might inhibit your health, but that's unfortunate. I apologize. It's,
What's your name?
my name is Nico.
Nito.
Nico.
All right. Nito.
Niko.
Niko. Nico. Thanks for chatting with
You're
me.
very welcome.
Okay. All right. I'll contact the upper echelon. Appreciate it.